Wherever
You go, I go.
we are,
YGIG.
and you're tuned into Easy Rock.
Oh. Actually, Yes My Love are really great singers din kasi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're a great singer.
Pero ano, LSS pa rin. It's
LSS
stuck
pa
in my
rin.
head.
Yeah, so
Ang hirap
One, two,
talaga.
three.
baby dolls.
Baby
dolls.
Wala na akong
Oh,
speechless
wala
na.
na,
Ito
wala
na.
na.
1, 2, 3.
SB19.
Sa ganun.
Para silang ano eh. Rhyming.
Like
SB. SPA. SB19.
I don't care.
Oh, sige. Pero, we know.
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
SB19.
Okay. Alam ko yan. Pero, yes. Because very inspired kami sa group na to. But, of course, we love Calista. SB19.
SB19. Grabing throwback talaga.
Hearts are breaking in this video as we speak.
Oo.
Ako dito.
Pero we know. Oo. 3, 2, 1. SB19. Sige na nga, still.
SB19.
SB19. Oh my God! Why?
Ano ba?
Ang hirap.
Naiiyak na ako.
Hirap.
Parang akong
Yun nga.
Ako ganito.
Ang
Teka.
hirap.
Parang ganon.
I'm still going to be
You.
me. dito pa din ako.
Okay, okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
SB19.
Bakit naman puro ganito? May ginawa ba tayong mali? Oo. Sige nga. Pero oo.
2, 3.
SB19.
May bloom heart.
Cut.
Cut this. Oh my God.
End of the video.
Thanks for watching.
May nasa isip na ako, pero kasi talaga, like,
Ang hirap
alam niyo na,
talaga.
kilala niyo naman ako guys, di ba?
Oo. Okay. Kahit magkakaiba. Hindi, kahit magkakaiba.
Wala mag-aaway ah.
Oo. 3, 2, 1.
SB19.
And Beanie.
And Beanie.
Honestly, hirap na hirap talaga ako just cause, syempre sobrang talented. At iba-iba, sobrang diverse ng group. So, hindi siya yung parang one thing is better than the other. Sobrang hirap talaga. At of course, bilang parang P-pop artist din, alam din natin yung skill nila, pati yung effort, yung hard work. So, ayaw namin, ang hirap talaga. Actually, ayaw namin pumili kung may choice talaga. Yun. Lahat. All of the above.
Yes. Bakit pa
Love
tayo
them.
pipili?
Oo.
Dito na ako nahirapan sa part na to.
Parang ako sumasagot ng exam. Kung who is who.
Oo. Hindi ko kinakaya talaga.
Pero we love them.
We love all of everyone.
Yes.
Perfect Blue is out on all digital streaming platforms and also our visualizer, Perfect Blue, out na siya sa YouTube channel namin.
And for more ganaps and all updates of our whereabouts, you can check us out on our social media accounts at YGIG_official.
Remember someone today with YGIG. Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.